Good morning. This is Deb Lecca, and I am looking at the calendar for June so far. So there are a lot more things that I don't know about, a lot more things that haven't got posted yet. It's taken a great deal of time, but it's all a learning process, and for you too. So for those of you who have been wondering what this calendar is about, or maybe you're not, but maybe you should. This is on our 985gh.com website, and it's the Grace Harbor Come As You Are community calendar. And I am trying to put in everything that I know about. So if it's not there, let me know. Let me know where I can find all the information. I'll get it up there. If it's a repeater, that's really easy to add. They are very easy to share to Facebook and your other social, and most of that is going into the Aberdeen 98520 group right now. So if you look, all you have to do is click on any of these. The day that it is the yellow. Open it up. There's a school board meeting tonight, and that's all in there. All the information is in there. Lots of links, lots of stuff. When you go to the Aberdeen 98520 group, you will find, for instance, this was posted and shared from that calendar. When I clicked on it, all this information opens up, and there are links and things hidden in there, so give it a good look. But if you have questions, just message me, email me, dblecca@graphicallydeb.com, and that's it for today. Bye.